Evelyne's. Quick Evelyne comparison between the PM and the GM, the 33 and the 29. Two middle sizes of the Evelyne bags, not the 40 and not the 16. The two middle ones, the two most popular, I think. No, sorry, that's not right. The 29 and the 16 are the most popular, but we can do another one for that. We're doing today the 33 and the 29 because I am borrowing my friend's 33 that I've unboxed before on this channel. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick comparison video between the Evelyne 29 and 33. I'm also gonna, the Evelyne 29 and 33. I'm also gonna just talk about how I put them together like this, what fits, ways to wear, not really ways to wear. I mean, I did this double thing, which I've done with the Evelyne 16s. Anyway, so we're gonna talk about that. I'll do some odd shots and what I like, don't like between these two. Okay, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribe, and keep on watching. Okay, so, well, I'm gonna show it to you like this first. Okay, because it was really hard to put this together. But so I clipped them together like this. Let's start from the top. Okay, so the Evelyne, this is the Evelyne bag. I have the PM in etoupe with gold hardware that I got in Europe. I don't know if I've done the unboxing yet or not, but it's here, whatever. I can do the unboxing later and talk about it, but I got it in Europe. And this is the 33 in etoupe with silver. My friend that I'm borrowing that she got online. She got it on Hermes.com. Right now I put them together kind of like this, which I really actually kind of like because then you've got laser. It's like, okay, take the back turn away. So you've got, it's like, it looks cool from the side like this, and I'll do some odd shots. But, you know, you can wear it this way forward and then kind of have that like layered look. Or you can wear this way forward and have that layered look. Or you could literally just take this and flip it over and have this one in the front or this one in the front. Kind of same thing. You have to readjust the strap to do that. But I really like it. And then you have extra compartments and you have double security. You can also actually... What do you guys think of that? Do you guys like that look? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? I think it's kind of cool. The other thing you can do, which I thought was really cool, is you could take... Excuse me. Hold on. You could take this Evelyne and put it inside this Evelyne to be kind of like a little bag organizer because it is kind of a big, empty, just kind of black hole. But now you got a little bit of, keep your dirty minds away. I know what you're thinking about. You got a little bit, because it is so dark in there. Now you've got two compartments on either side of the bag. Then you've got the actual bags compartment and then here. So it's a little bit of more kind of compartmentalization and then the outside ones. You got 5 little sections, whatever, which is nice because the Evelyne doesn't have anything. And I don't know. I actually have never bought an organizer for it. I wanted to a while ago, but I never did. When my friend got his black one, the 29 in Paris, but I didn't end up buying it because I'm not using it. And then I got this one. So now I think I will for this one. But oh, somebody actually mentioned that they did have an organizer. Whoever mentioned that they did have an organizer or that they saw one, the black one, the black Evelyne 29, I think whoever you are, if you remember, I will try to find your comment and respond to it too. But if you do, let me know which organizer you got and where you got it from because I actually do want to go check it out. I'm going to try Jenny Crafts because I've loved Jenny Crafts and she's been super helpful for me. If you haven't checked her out, check her out, Jenny Crafts on Etsy. She's given me great bag organizers at discounts, like replaced really easily, updated, modified exactly how I want. And she's giving me a great discount. And right now she's giving me a discount for you guys to get a discount. So if you want to get a discount from her, it's just shopaholic is the code, shopaholic with a Q-U-E, like my username. So check that out. But whoever said it, let me know which bag organizer you're using as well, because I would love to know what you're using for this bag. Okay? But I also kind of like this idea of just having it like that. And then you can have like double protection with both of these over it to kind of like really, because it is just kind of an open bag and anyone can kind of just get in. But now with this, at least you can kind of it's a little more protected and a little more divided and a little more secure. All the things, which I think is kind of cool. And it fits literally perfectly in. In terms of what fits in these, like everything pretty much, I mean, like I said, this fits inside this. So like, I mean, this is pretty much the size of this pocket. So pretty much everything fits the same. Like a laptop will fit in both. My 16-inch will fit in both. My 16-inch fits in both and sticks out. My 13-inch or 12-inch or whatever, Air or whatever also fits in both. Like little pouches fit in both, like the Goya pouch. Also, my friends, so it will fit this way in this one, and it'll fit this way in this one. For example, if you want to do compartmentalize. I mean, obviously it's not that thick, so you can't fit a lot, but you can. It's a good like day bag to fit your laptop and like papers, and like you can get a water bottle in here, and then your smaller things in here. It'll fit perfectly, however, into this like long ways. and be completely hidden. So if you want to do this as a little bag organizer, inside there is like a little pouch to kind of protect this by putting it inside, and then as a zipper, so it's like, you know, zip it closed, and this is like a zip pocket basically. So like that. So like now it's like got a little zip here, so it's a little more secure because this is a very open bag. So that's the Senna MM. It'll fit nicely in the 33. Obviously, it will also fit vertically into this one and can also give you that zippy kind of MM. That's the Senna MM. The GM, I don't have any other sizes, so I don't know. I really like this bag. The thing, okay, so what I like, what I don't like, okay, so comparing to these, I feel like the shape of this is just much better. It's like proportionately right on your body, each one, but like this one feels a little too, like it's almost as wide as this big, and the shape is just a little too big. This is probably more for like, it's a larger travel carry bag. Can't even imagine the 40. The 40 would be huge. It's basically like it's like a 40 on the side of you. It sounds huge. It's like if I carried my Goyard GM on the side of me as a crossbody. I don't know. It's a lot. I just think that this shape looks a little weird. Like this just looks more, I don't know. It's more pleasing to the eye. So a little longer than this thing. This feels more like square, and it just doesn't sit as well. So I don't really love this 33, so I'm glad this is not mine. Also, I mean, in terms of like price, this is much more expensive. And like if you ever were going to want to get rid of it or sell it, the like resale market, that fetches, the 29 fetches a much higher than the 33. The 33s go for much lower than retail, whereas the 29 will go for above retail. I think it's that whole like smaller, bigger size. That being said, though, if you wanted to get a 33, you could get one of these. So this retails, I think, 36 or no, this is 4,000 in the US plus tax. It probably went up with the January price increase. And that one's 36 plus tax in the US. Again, probably went up with the price increase. And this was 28 in Europe, and it was 25 in 2022 when my friend got the black one. So this is 28 now, and now it's 29. Don't know what the price in this one is, but whatever, let's say it's 3 in Europe and 45 in the US. You can get this in pretty good condition for like 2 to 25 on the secondhand market because this size is not as popular. So if you want to get this bag and you're okay with the bigger size, you don't mind having a bigger bag, you can get this on resale for like I said, like 2 to 25. Like the Real has like a bunch in the 2,000 to 2,500 range. They might have some wear and stuff like that. Maybe pristine, you might be going up to 3 or you might be going up to the same price as France, but you're not going to be paying over retail unless you're buying it from somewhere like super fancy, like Sotheby's or like Madison Avenue Couture, where they do put it above retail, but you're getting that authenticity guarantee, and you're getting that like life, whatever. And it's like very nicely, like it's like high-end resale luxury, like Prêt-à-Porter and like all those other places that, you know, sell them like the super ultra luxurious high-end resellers. Anyway, but I do love this bag. Like the Clémence is really nice. This is a great color. Etoupe is a great color because it's this gray. It'll go with everything. And it has the contrast white stitching, which I like, that comes on the golds. And it's just so soft. It's such a soft, supple bag. I always think that you get more value for your bang for your buck for a less price that holds its value better. Gold hardware, always better. So like, obviously I love that I got this one. I got this one when she brought it out. I was like, yes, I'm taking this. Yes, yes, yes. I've been offered ones with silver hardware and I pass on them. I don't know. I like the gold hardware better because I like all my things with gold hardware. And except for my Goyard bags that obviously don't have gold hardware, but they never come with gold hardware. They very rarely come with gold hardware unless it's limited edition or whatever. Anyway, but also, yeah, this just felt too big. So I just got this to show you guys for this video. I'm giving it back to her tomorrow, actually. So I'm going to try to film a bunch of content with it to show you. If you have any questions about this, let me know. I can always ask for it back from her. The strap is adjustable. You can make it kind of any length. It's a wool canvasy strap, so it will start pilling, which kind of sucks. It's not a leather strap, but you can always buy the leather strap. I would buy just a regular leather strap, not the Hermes one. The Hermes ones are like $2,500 or something ridiculous, $2,000 or something like that. You can also just kind of wear this strap by itself and clip on something really tiny to it, which I've done before. Kind of like wear it like that and then clip on something like a little dangly. Also feels like a little Miss America satchel. Like, I want my award. Okay, anyway, I'm done talking. But yeah, that's kind of the gist of this puppy and that puppy and my funny ways to wear. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was interesting. If you have more questions about the larger Evelynes, let me know. If you have questions about the smaller Evelynes, let me know. If you have questions about Evelynes in general, let me know. All right, that's all I got, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Keep me in your thoughts. All right, that's all I got. let me know in the comments below if you have questions about this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. Next is, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time with me. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.